What's going on, guys? Art here, Off the Dope Media Group, trying something different, kicking it old school, digging it in the crates, as we used to say when we used to DJ, or when I used to DJ, I should say. Right now, what I'm on is a GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition. Yeah, I said that. Dig it in the crates with the Hero 3 Plus Black. So anyway, out running around, gotta go show an apartment, go show a house, a rental property that I'm managing for a client, and have to go pay my cell bill because I forgot to pay it. So yeah. So anyway, let's see how this goes. Okay, we made it. That was a quick trip. I shoveled snow the other day. I don't know if you can see, but I shoveled the day of snow all the way down, and it snowed again. And I wanted to see if he was going to shovel the snow at the property, and looks like he didn't. So I won't be shoveling his snow or cutting his grass anymore. I know, trifling. Okay, we made it. We're inside. It's cold. It's probably about 5 or 6 degrees outside, literally. Chicago. But I'm waiting for this client to get here, or I should say this prospective tenant. It's supposed to be here in 3 minutes. I wanted to take a few minutes to kind of ask you some questions or talk to you about a situation I had. I confirmed the appointment for a video shoot, and he wanted to do a promo video about 2 weeks out. I put him on my calendar. Calls me the day before, confirms the appointment and so forth. Everything is still a go. The day of, about an hour, I get a call from him, and he's telling me that his band member that he's going to be doing the promo with had the flu, and she wasn't going to be able to make it. This was the hour before. So my question is, of course, you knew she had the flu before the hour before. And I just don't get it. So anyway, ultimately it's my fault. The moral to the story is, number one, if you're gonna book a gig, everybody is saying this all over the place, everybody is doing it. I didn't do it because we had history and I didn't think that this would happen. It wasn't his fault. However, always take a deposit. Always take a deposit if you book a gig, if you book a date. No matter who it is, take a deposit. That'll show some type of commitment. And I think deposit should be non-refundable. I don't know. That's just me. So anyway, let me know what you think. I'm going to show this house to this guy and get out and go pay my cell bill. So I hope you have a prosperous day and your new year is off to a good start. Peace.